Good morning, children. So, in the last class, I've given you one homework also from encoder. So, see here, today we'll start the next applications of logic gate, that is decoder. So, first let me tell you what is decoder. Decoder is used to convert binary to decimal equivalent. It is used to convert binary signal to decimal equivalent. We have two type of decoder in our syllabus: 2x4 decoder and 3x8 decoder. This is also a very important part. Both are almost same. So I'll be doing 2x4 decoder. Again, your homework will be 3x8 decoder. You have to do in the same way. Okay. So see here, 2x4 decoder. So first of all, a block diagram. First of all, you make a block diagram. Okay. 2x4 decoder. Give 2 input and 4 output. Okay. 2 input let us take as S0 and S1, and 4 output let us take Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay, this is the block diagram of 2x4 decoder. In case of 3x8, you have to just write here 3x8, 3 input and 8 output will be there. You can begin with S0, S1, S2, Q0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can continue. So now, truth table. So how many input we have? 2 input. How many output we have? 4 output. So let us take 1, 2, 3 and 4. We'll write here Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. And here S0 and S1. So this is the structure of truth table. Now see, we have 2 inputs. So whenever there are 2 inputs, 2 0, 2 1, single 0, single 1, single 0, single 1. Now in case of output for decoder, you have to follow the diagonal. Diagonal should be 1. Remember, the left diagonal should be 1. So here I'm just giving 1, rest all 0, here 0, 1, 0, 0, here 0, 0, then 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. You can see the diagonal part is 1, rest all value will be 0 in case of output. Is this clear this much? So this is the truth table. Okay, children. So from here, you just calculate Q0 value. Now Q0 value, when you calculate, you have to just check the value of 1. So 1 has how much? 0, 0. Q1. Q1, 0, 1. This input part you are just checking, okay? Q2, this one, 1, 0. And Q3, the last one is 1, 1. So when you get this value, now you have to design a circuit diagram. So see here, how to design the circuit diagram. So see here the circuit diagram, logic circuit diagram. Logic circuit diagram. for decoder 2 into 4. Okay. So how many input we have? 2 input, S0 and S1. So I'll just write S0 and S1 and I'll make a straight line over here. You can see we have 0 also, we have 1 also. So just parallel to this, we'll make the NOT gate also. We'll just make the NOT gate also for each part. Now for Q0, now see for Q0, the value is 0, 0. Now here 0 is the complement part, 1 is non-complement. So this and this, and you have to make an AND gate. This is Q0. So see here, so now Q0 understood? 0, 0. Here see 0, 0. 0 is complement of S0, and another is so this one is S0 and this one is S1. Okay, so another again 0 means complement, and you have to use AND gate for decoder, OR gate for encoder. Q0. Now for Q1, 0, 1, 0 and here 1, Q1. Let us extend this one. Now 1, 0, 1, 0. This Q2 and Q3, that is 1, 1, 1. Let's extend some more, and 1. This is Q3. So this is the logic circuit diagram for 2 into 4 decoder. Okay, in the same way you have to do for 3 into 8 decoder. That will be your homework. Okay children, is this clear? Okay, so see now next. So see children, so decoder, as I have explained you, 2 into 4 and 3 into 8 are given as homework. So now the next applications is multiplexer. It is also known as MUX. Multiplexer work is, it takes multiple input and display single output. Basically for remote sensing and traffic control we use multiplexer. That becomes the application of multiplexer. Remote sensor and traffic signaling. Okay, so here also we have two type. Number one, that is 4 into 1 multiplexer, and number 2, 8 into 1 multiplexer. So let me tell you children, multiplexers are actually generated from decoder. So to generate the multiplexer, we have to first take out the logic circuit diagram of decoder. Then only we can use that as multiplexer. So is this clear children up to this much? So see now. So children, in this multiplexer, one I will be doing and one I will give you as homework. So 4 into 1 multiplexer I will do, and 8 into 1 multiplexer will be your homework. So see here, 4 into 1 multiplexer. First of all, you have to write the block diagram and you have to draw this one. It's 4 into 1 multiplexer. You'll be having the 4 input part. I'll take Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. These are the output of decoder. Okay, and one single output will be there. Let us take this one as F, and 2 select part will be there. 2 select part will be there. Okay, so let us take this one as S0 and S1. These are the select part. Select means these are the input of decoder. This is the output of decoder, and this is the output of multiplexers. So now truth table. This is known as select. Okay, this is input and this is output. So truth table will be same as decoder part. Okay, truth table will be same as decoder. That means you have to take input, output. Here S0 and S1, the select part you will be taking, and here you will be taking the 4 part, that is Q0, Q1, Q2 and Q3. 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, and here the diagonal part should be 1. Okay, the diagonal should be 1. So this is same as decoder part. Here again you have to write the value for Q0, that is 0, 0. This is S0, this is S1. And Q1 will be 0, 1. Q2 will be 1, 0. And Q3 will be 1, 1. This part, this truth table part, is similar to decoder part. Okay. So children, now we'll move to the circuit diagram. So see here, circuit diagram how we'll be drawing. So for circuit diagrams, logic circuit diagram. So for logic circuit diagram, we'll take S0 and S1, and the side by side we'll take the complement part also, as NOT part. First part is 0, 0. The AND gate we'll be using, that's Q0. Second part is 0, 1, 0, 1, Q1. Third part is 1, 0, that is 1, 0, this is Q2, and this is 1, 1, that is Q3. So children, up to this much was same as decoder. Okay, 2 into 4 decoder. Now when you get the output of decoder, this output of decoder we have to use as input for multiplexer. So we'll combine this one. So let us combine this one. So we have taken all the output as input for 4 into 1 multiplexer, and this 4 we have to make a single output using OR gate. So this becomes our F, that is the output part, and this is the logic circuit diagram for 4 into 1 multiplexer. In the same way children, you have to do for 8 into 1 multiplexer. First you have to go for decoder part, then the output part of decoder you have to use OR gate, and finally you will make 8 into 1 multiplexer also. So is this clear children? So understood what is multiplexer and decoder? So children, today I have taught you what is decoder, how the signals are converted. Same way multiplexer, what is the use of multiplexer. So adder, encoder, decoder, multiplexer, these are the application of logic gates, and it's very important also. So in decoder I have taught you 2 into 4 decoder, that means 2 input and 4 output decoder, how the 2 inputs are converted into 4 outputs. So the block diagram, truth tables and logic circuit diagram, the same thing, block diagram, truth table and logic circuit diagram you have to do as a homework for 3 into 8 decoder, that means 3 input and 8 output. And along with that, after doing the decoder, I have told you, even I have taught in this video, how that 4 output of decoder is made as an input for multiplexer, and finally the single output is generated. That means in multiplexer we have learned that from multiple input we can generate a single output. There is a select part also, which is the input for decoder. So as 2 into 4 decoder I did, and 4 into 1 multiplexer I have did. In the same way 3 into 8 decoder you have to do same, that block diagram, truth table, logic circuit diagram. And once you have done with decoder, that 8 output of decoder you can make as input along with 3 select, and you can generate a single output that becomes 8 into 1 multiplexer. So this will be your homework, you have to do by your own. Last time also I've given the homework for encoder, and today I'm giving you for decoder and multiplexer. You need to do, okay, so see the video, understand it, and try to do in the same way. Everything will be the same, only the input and output are changed. When there are 3 inputs, the first one will begin with 40 then 41. 4 input, then first one will begin with 8081. 3 input 4041. 2 input 2021. Single input 01. So is this clear? Decoder, AND gate, multiplexer, OR gate. Just a basic thing you need to remember. So everyone will do this.